Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use drawio in VS Code. First, open your VS Code editor and navigate to the Extensions view. Search for drawio integration by heading Dieterichs and click Install. This powerful, free extension brings the full functionality of drawio directly into your coding environment, allowing you to create and edit diagrams seamlessly without switching applications. Once installed, creating a new diagram is straightforward. Simply create a new file in your project with a drawio or dio extension. The editor will automatically open, ready for you to start drawing. You can also open existing diagram files, including those saved as drawio, SVG, or drawio, PNG, which embed diagram data directly into the image file. This integration offers a rich set of diagramming features. You get access to hundreds of shapes, connectors, and templates for flowcharts, UML, and more. Your diagram files can be easily version controlled alongside your code, and you can export them to common image formats such as PNG, SVG, or PDF with just a few clicks, making sharing simple. To maximize your productivity, remember to save your diagrams often. Leverage keyboard shortcuts for quick actions, which can significantly speed up your workflow. Also, dive into the extension settings to customize themes or enable features like code linking, allowing you to associate diagram elements with specific code spans for enhanced documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.